Today we're going to be working on graphing on the coordinate plane. And you can see that there are two types of number lines on this handout. And make sure you have your guided notes out and you're taking notes. And they are vertical and horizontal number lines. Now, the vertical number line is the one that goes up and down. So this one here is our vertical. And then our horizontal one is the one that goes side to side. And you need to make sure you know that terminology. So the very first thing we're going to do is find -3 on the vertical number line. So for vertical, I'm going to use blue. So -3, I'm going to find my 0. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. -3 on my number line is right here. And I marked that in blue. And the next one I'm going to do is 4 on the horizontal number line. So I'm going to find my horizontal number line, find my 0, and go over to 4. Okay, and this is my hot air balloon. Okay, and then I forgot to label. This is a dump truck. Okay. And then we've got to find the sailboat. And so I'm going to use green for that because, you know, I'm extra. And I'm going to find my sailboat, and that's at -2. The next thing I'm going to do is, -2 on the, horizontal. And then I'm going to find my motorcycle, and I'll use light blue, and I'm going to mark that. And look at me, I forgot to mark this. Sorry, guys. And that is at +1 on the vertical. And then I'm going to go 5 on the vertical number line. So let's use dark green for that. Mark that, and that's a helicopter. And I spelled that wrong. Helicopter. And then a rocket. Where is my rocket? I will use, maroon for the rocket. And that is at -5 on the horizontal. The coordinate plane extends 2 number lines that include integers. Remember that integers are both negative and positive numbers that are whole. They intersect at the point called the origin, which is located at 0, 0. Okay, we are going to label the different parts of our quadrant. This is very important that you get all of this done. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label the y-axis, and then my x-axis, okay, label your origin. And then we have quadrants. Now, the quadrants we label with Roman numerals, and you have to know these. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. You cannot use regular numbers for this. Notice how I do this. It's like a big C, come right around. Okay, and so I can also label them here. 1. And I'm actually going to fix this. I'm going to do this in black because this is positive, 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 positive. And then this one is -x, positive y. 2, 3 is negative, negative. They both have negative symbols. And then 4 is positive, negative. And you have to have this memorized. This is super important. Okay, and oh, sorry, last one is quadrant 4. Oops, that shouldn't be in red. Okay, ready? Okay, it says use the coordinate plane to answer, oops, sorry guys, to answer the questions. Determine the ordered pair for each point. So I'm going to do a couple, and you're going to do a couple, and we'll call it fun. Okay, so point A, we're always going to do X, then Y, okay? So this is your horizontal, then your vertical. So we're going to start on the horizontal line. We are not, under any circumstance, drawing lines up our grid, okay? So we're going to come over here. We're going to go 1, 2, okay, we're at -3. That is our first spot. Comma, we're going to go up. That's +3. That's our first point, -3, +3. Let's do B together. Okay, B's way over here. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to go horizontal first. 1, 2, 3. Not quite. It's not 4. It's in between. So it's 3 and a half. Okay, and then we have to come down. 1, 2, 3. It's on a line. That's -3. C. Let's do that one next. We're going to come over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our starter. And we go down for our Y to -2. Let's do D. D, we go over 1, +1, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our D. E, we're going to go -1, 2, 3, 4, and a half. -4 and 1/2. But I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half. So that's positive. And then let's look at F. Do I move? No. So my X is 0. I did not move. I come down 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 for the Y. Okay, last one. We have G. We're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And up 1, 2. And H. H is over here. Go -1, 2, 3, -4. And down -1 and a half. Okay, you are going to plot the points for number 2, and then you're going to answer number 3's 3 questions, and make sure you summarize today's lesson using a complete sentence. I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye.